Remove the tray cover. For a PCIe riser assembly with general adapters, loosen the captive screw on the PCIe riser assembly. Hold the PCIe riser cage assembly by its edges and remove it from the tray. For a PCIe riser assembly with Connect X6 adapters, loosen the clamp bracket's captive screw and remove it from the node. Remove the two screws and then remove the heat pipe beam from the node. Remove the screw and loosen the captive screw on the PCIe riser assembly, and then hold the PCIe riser cage assembly by its edges to remove it from the tray.